So to make one of these looped friendship bracelets, you're going to need about 2.5 feet of paracord. And first of all, we're going to do a scaffold knot. So I've made a bite like this. And what I'm going to do is wrap the top cord around this bottom one twice, going that way. So grab it, go underneath once, underneath twice. On the third pass, I'm going to poke it through those loops. So poke it through the first one and the second one, and then pull it together like that, and that is a scaffold knot. Now you know you've done it right when you've got 2 bits on one side and an X on the other. Okay, now we're going to grab the other end of the paracord and we're going to shove it up through that hole like that, and then we're going to close this loop. Okay, and now all we're going to do is do another scaffold knot on the other side. So grab the rest of your cord, go under once, make sure it crosses over, go twice, and on the third pass go through those 2 loops like that and cinch it up like that, and you've got another scaffold knot on the other side. Make sure it fits just over your hand like that, which it does on mine, and then snip and singe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it quite close to the knot like that, and then I'm just going to singe this end into the knot. When you're done on that side, do the same on the other. Cut it quite close, like that. So there you go. That is a looped friendship bracelet. Really quick and easy to do. To see some more friendship bracelets, just click that video there. And I shall see you in the next one.